I am Gaurav, Kartikeya's father. He is 8.5-year-old, loving and affectionate child who's studying in grade 2 in a normal school, although with a special assistant. His milestones have been delayed. He started writing a little late after 2.5 years of schooling, but now it is almost age appropriate. He has been diagnosed with ADHD and motor incoordination and some amount of learning disability. His writing is still not age appropriate. Sometimes he shows signs of aggression while with his peers or even with his parents. Normally he is very affectionate. He wants to share. He doesn't participate too much in group activities. At times he does so also. The areas of concern are firstly his social skills, where deficits are there, his behavioral skills. The streaks of aggression which come into him. He has a very strong sense of self. He is emotional. He relates to people. Yet there is some sort of ritualistic behavior, and self-talk is present. Some amount of repetitive behavior is there. He repeats particular phrases and asks you to repeat them. There are certain pet rituals. He is very, very affectionate. He likes to share his things. In an abstract reasoning test, his IQ was assessed at 125. He is a highly intelligent child, and we want NSCD to help us in realize his full potential. In the areas of concern are attention deficit, motor incoordination, and learning disability.